Are you tired of feeling like love is out of reach? Do you wonder if something you're doing or not doing is keeping you single? The truth is, sometimes the biggest obstacles to finding a meaningful relationship are the habits and beliefs we unknowingly hold on to. In this video, we'll dive into 4 powerful truths that might be holding you back and how to overcome them. These aren't quick fixes or surface-level advice. This is about real growth, self-awareness, and creating the kind of connection you've been looking for. Let's get started. Number 1. Codependence, the silent relationship killer. Codependence is when you rely on someone else for your sense of happiness, self-worth, or identity. It feels like love, but it's actually dependency. If you constantly need external validation to feel good about yourself, you're setting up your relationships for failure. The problem with codependence is that it places all your emotional weight on another person, which becomes exhausting for both of you. The solution? Start building your self-worth from within. Focus on what makes you happy and fulfilled outside of a relationship. Pursue hobbies, develop your career, or connect with friends and family. When you stop looking for someone else to complete you, you'll realize you're already whole. This doesn't just make you more confident, it makes you more attractive. A partner should complement your life, not be the sole source of your happiness. Remember, love rooted in independence is healthier and more fulfilling than love based on neediness. Take time to understand who you are, what you value, and what truly brings you joy. When you know your worth, you'll stop settling for less and start attracting people who respect and cherish you for who you are. Number 2, lack of stoicism. Why resilience matters. Life is unpredictable and relationships are no exception. Stoicism is the ability to handle life's ups and downs with grace, resilience, and inner strength. When things don't go as planned, how do you respond? Do you let setbacks define you? Or do you learn from them and move forward? In dating, resilience is crucial. Rejection is part of the process, but it doesn't have to crush you. A bad date, a missed connection, or even heartbreak doesn't mean you're unworthy of love. It just means that person wasn't right for you. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, focus on what you can control: your attitude, actions, and how you choose to grow from the experience. Stoicism also helps you stay grounded in your values. What matters most to you: integrity, kindness, patience. When you live by these principles, you'll attract people who align with them. Don't compromise your values to fit into someone else's world. Build a life that reflects who you truly are. Resilience doesn't mean suppressing your emotions. It means learning to navigate them in a healthy way. When you embrace life's challenges with a positive mindset, you'll radiate confidence and strength, qualities that are incredibly attractive in a partner. Number 3, forgetting humor, the key to connection. Modern dating can feel overwhelming. Endless swiping, awkward conversations, and ghosting can make the process seem exhausting. But here's the thing. If you can't laugh at the absurdity of it all, you'll burn out quickly. Humor is one of the most underrated tools for connection. It breaks the ice, eases tension, and creates shared moments of joy. When you laugh with someone, you're building trust and showing that you're approachable and fun. Instead of letting bad dates or dating app mishaps get you down, try to find the humor in them. Did your date talk about themselves the whole time? Laugh it off. Did you get ghosted after a great conversation? Chalk it up to their loss and move on. By maintaining a lighthearted attitude, you'll keep your energy positive and attract people who share your vibe. Remember, humor isn't just about making jokes. It's about not taking yourself too seriously. When you approach dating with curiosity and playfulness, you'll enjoy the process more. Not every date will lead to a relationship, but every experience is an opportunity to learn, grow, and maybe even collect a funny story to share later. Number 4, lack of authenticity, the power of being real. Authenticity is the foundation of any meaningful relationship. Yet many people hide their true selves in an attempt to impress others. The result: surface-level connections that don't last. Being authentic means knowing who you are and embracing it fully. What are your values? What are your passions? What kind of life do you want to build? When you're clear about these things, you'll naturally attract people who align with your vision. Authenticity also means setting boundaries. If someone doesn't respect you or drains your energy, it's okay to let them go. Surround yourself with people who celebrate your growth and support your goals. To live authentically, invest in the things that bring you joy. Love hiking. Join a hiking group passionate about books. Attend book clubs. Doing what you love not only makes you happier, but also helps you meet like-minded people. Authenticity isn't about being perfect, it's about being real. When you show up as your true self, You'll build deeper, more meaningful connections. And the right person will love you for who you truly are, flaws and all. Being single isn't a curse, it's an opportunity to grow, explore, and prepare yourself for the love you deserve. By overcoming codependence, embracing stoicism, finding humor in the process, and living authentically, you'll not only attract the right partner, but also build a life you're proud of. Love starts with you. When you nurture your own happiness and live with purpose, the right person will come into your life naturally. So take the first step today. Reflect, grow, and enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on love, relationships, and self-growth. Until next time, stay true to yourself.